Admission controllers in Kubernetes are awesome at enforcing policy. They intercept requests to manipulate or create resources in your clusters, so you are able to control requests that don't meet your standards before admitting them. Hence the name. Talk about shifting left. So why doesn't everybody use them? Well, turning them on is easy. But do you know what they actually enforce? And can you really trust that no business functionality would be compromised because of it? Or where and how do you view their logs? Well, you can of course try it for yourself and go through all of that in order to harness their power, or you could just use Tenable Cloud Security. Tenable Cloud Security lets you easily onboard your Kubernetes clusters by installing a Helm chart, during which you can choose to enable an admission controller on your cluster. The Admission Controller Policies Management Console presents you with descriptive best practice policies you can then enable or disable for the admission controller to enforce. And you can choose to do so in all the clusters of a specific account, a specific cloud environment, or your entire organization. Not only that, with Tenable Cloud Security, enforcement doesn't necessarily mean prevention, which may cause unintended denial of service, as you can set the effect of the policy to simply alert instead of deny. You can also easily configure parameters relevant to the policy without needing to know or manage rego. For example, for this policy, which restricts use of images to only specific image repositories, you can easily define the name patterns of the allowed ones. When a policy is violated, you can browse through an accessible and filterable log for the violation event. So here we can see calls that were made to forbidden repositories. You then get a clear indication of the policies violated and even a display of the raw text of the request specifying the exact location which constitutes the violation. You no longer need to do the heavy lifting to shift your cluster's security left. Let Tenable Cloud Security do it for you. Reach out for a demo today.